Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Thank you all for your likes, thank you for your comments, thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and do turn your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. So you all can tell I already started this tutorial already with this voiceover that I'm putting on. I actually lost a clip, some clip out of this video. I don't know what happened along the way. That's why I couldn't do the introduction. So I had to do this voiceover while I'm applying the makeup. All the product I use will be listed down below. Please do bear with me that I couldn't be able to do this the way I usually do it, like, you know, coming to the on the camera to do the introduction and, you know, to tell you about the tutorial. But every product that I use be listed down below for you guys to see. This is a Bratz makeup challenge that I've been seeing here and there. I decided to put it upon myself. I'm not that perfect with crockeries. You all can see the mess I already made, but I figure it out along the way. And if you all like to see the end result of this look, please do continue watching. Please let me know what you think down below. Please don't hold back. If you have any concern, if you have any advice, if you have any, if this is epic failure or if this is just right, whatever you have in mind, please just put it down there for me. I love criticism because that will make me to be a better person. Like I said, don't hold back, okay? Let me know your thought down below. Give me likes, leave me a comment, and please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye. So to get that sharp angle, I use a makeup wipes to wipe the outer corner of my eyes, and I came in with a liquid eyeliner. I connected both my lash line to my crease. I connected it to get the look. I also went ahead and applied my foundation and my contouring off the camera because I don't want this video to be too long. So I decided to do that off the camera. If I want to review a foundation, I would definitely do it on the camera, but if it's all about the eyes, I'd rather do it, apply my foundation off the camera. And I came in with a white liquid eyeliner to line my inner eye rim. Then I will be coming in with a blue one to line the bottom line of my inner eye rim. By the way, the name of the Bratz that I'm mimicking, she's called Sasha. So on the other part of her eyes, she has a purple eyeliner under there. So I use the purple eyeliner pencil, of course, to line that part of my eye. And I pop in my first lashes. I had to cut them into two in order to have that effect, a little very long at the outer corner of my eyes. I didn't apply any lashes at the inner corner, so I only use mascara to fill that part because that's how she look in the picture. The outer part is longer, so I decided not to put any lashes at the inner part of my eyes. Then I move on with the lips, of course. Applied blue lip pencil. Then I came in with navy blue lip color by L'Oreal. I'll put all this product down below. And I came in with an highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that concluded the end of this video. Please, like I said, let me know how I did down below, and thank you all once again for watching. Stay blessed. Bye bye.
African lady. So come make I tell you, baby, my beautiful lady. I should be somebody, baby. As I'm Patawani, I'm crazy. Now we get the lady, oh. If we're not there together, hold on to your baby, oh. And if that your good misbehave, myself a radio, my body radio, money plenty, oh. Everything go